Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I found these at Target and apparently this is series 3, I think it said somewhere.
Clicks?
Yeah, is it series 3? Where am I reading that from? Yeah, it is series 3.
Kitty.
So I saw they had Hello Kitty ones and I didn't get them. And then once I realized what they were, I went back to get them and they're all gone. So all they had was this. So you get one little button thingy that clicks and then there's a mystery one in here. And then I guess they also snap together. And then you could also put them like on a bag or it has like a keychain kind of element to it. So I'm gonna open this one.
I'll open this one.
Okay, hold on just a second. I'm gonna open this one first.
I'm gonna put one on my backpack so when I'm on the bus I can click it.
I know, they look really
nice.
Yeah, I was hoping it was more of a click, but that's pretty satisfying too.
Nice. Yeah.
So here's what this looks like. I like that you can see one and then one's a mystery and then I guess they click together like puzzle pieces. So since this is series 3, I guess it's been out a while. I just don't think I ever understood or knew what it was, so I probably just walked right past it. But this sounds like something I would like. Hold on just a second. Okay, here you could open the mystery bag. I know, you could open the mystery bag while I open this.
Little girl.
It says there's 70 to collect, so I don't know if this is a checklist. And then you get the charm, so you can connect them. I don't really know where that goes. I'll have to look in a minute. Okay, you can open that one. Which mystery one did we get?
Oh, this is so
Oh my goodness, there's tons of them. Let me see, which one's that?
Cinnamon.
Oh, that's
the one I
cute.
wanted.
Is
That's
that?
one of the ones.
That's pretty cute.
Adorable.
That is satisfying.
I know.
Yes, 1 second. Hold on. Let's look at the checklist. They have a magical glow, baked goods. There's an epic series. We also have legendary, a limited edition. Oh, that one's cool. It's a bubbly cow. They also have exclusives. Forest Pals Pink Life. You want that one? Why is that?
It's cute.
Because it looks like Hattie?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. So you could
library.
You can connect several of them, create your own keycap combos. So they click together. Oh, that's exciting.
I think by combos they mean like you can mix different series. Like you can do like
that's where you put the thing.
Keyboard clicks and bubble pops together.
So they all have a corner piece that you stick this through to make it a charm. And then these should just snap in there like a key. Oh my god. Isn't that nice? I like that. I love it.
Okay, well, we're opening.
I guess you could just keep connecting them in every direction just to make like a massive keyboard.
Mom,
okay, go ahead and open. I found it easier to take this part and like twist it.
Okay.
So you can try doing that. There you go.
I'm vicious.
Do you want to open the bottom and I'll take the top part out? Or is that not fun?
I would do both.
Okay, you could do both. Yeah, if I find the Hello Kitty ones, I think those ones just came out. I'm going to grab some of those.
Hold up, let me snap this back in.
Yeah, so it's probably like a normal key on a keyboard where you can take the tops off. So I guess if you didn't want this one to be on green, you could take it off and put it on a brown one.
I put it sideways on accident. It's supposed to be facing the little stair thing. My bad.
Yeah, so it's just like a plus sign, just line it in. It's supposed to be facing like what, like this?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one, isn't it cute?
Hello, mystery.
How are you gonna clip them together? Are you gonna do like 3 and 3?
I don't know yet.
These are super cute for book bags.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some on my backpack, but for now I might just be clicking them.
Okay. Ooh. So we got another one that's this blue color, but it's a different cat. They almost kind of resemble like Minnie Mouse to me with the bow and the big ears.
Yeah. I wonder if they made a Disney series.
Oh, so you can't snap them. Did I put it on the wrong way? I might have done that. Let's see. It would have to go like this.
Wait, this one kind of gives Minnie Mouse vibes. or Mickey because the two mushrooms kind of like the ears.
Yeah. That's what I thought they were. It reminded me of the Disney, what are Munchlings?
Munchlings.
Because they're like Minnie
Yeah,
and Mickey,
cute.
like dessert looking things.
Actually, they had more than Minnie and Mickey.
There we go, 2 and 2, and then we can also connect those. Oh my gosh, that's so fun.
I want to do.
Okay, go ahead and
them
open
all
it.
One big row.
One big row like this.
Yeah.
That sounded satisfying to me.
Actually,
I like them grouped together.
yeah, we'll do it with that. Okay. Use. Okay, we.
But
got
you could do them like an individual little charms, and then you could let your friends
Yeah.
click them. Ooh, we got a green base. This is such a simple idea for like a fidget toy. Are all the keychains pink too? Looks like it. We'll have to go through and see which ones we got and what categories they're from. I like these though.
I'm struggling.
You're struggling.
Okay.
And yeah, that one's like a pinkish purple too. I guess they're all that color. I'm assuming. It has a nice clip though with tension, so it's not like real loose and like cheap feeling.
Ooh, what is this?
She just made a face. Oh, is that the rare?
Oh my god.
What is that? Let me see. That's a giant one.
Oh my god, that's gonna be so something.
Look how much bigger that is compared to the other ones. That's so funny. I'm gonna look at the checklist and see which ones these are. So that one is considered an epic, and it's Conjure number 153. So the epics are the tall ones. Those are fun. I like that.
Imagine if we just got all tall ones.
That'd be funny. And then from this list, we also got 2 of the magical glow. So we got Glimmer and Shine, so 109 and 114. From the baked goods, we got Top Tier, which is number 120, and then 121 is On a Roll. We got a Forest Pal, Mush Mouse, number 130. I was kind of right, it is a mouse, and it does have Minnie Mouse looking ears. We didn't get any Pink Life or the limited edition. That one looks awesome. I wonder if that one's really heavy. I didn't even take that into consideration. You might be able to kind of guesstimate for those. And then they have exclusive ones. I don't know. I think these are really cute. Let's snap them all together. Like I said, I'll do the Hello Kitty ones if you guys are interested, if I find them.
They should make band
They sold out
ones.
very quickly.
They should make band ones like Nirvana.
Ah, little musical.
Yeah, yes, that's what I need. When you click them, it records
I feel like they're
the
a little
song.
difficult to clip
Like
in
when you
unless I'm
click
doing
them.
it wrong. Clip from the back. It might be easier just to do one at a time.
Yeah.
Ugh. Or maybe you're not really supposed to click or clip 12,000 at once.
Aw. Well, we can just keep doing them side by side then.
Well, yeah.
I'm on a side by side keyboard.
And then you could do that one. Ah! I don't know. I think it's cool. If you want to see us open Hello Kitty ones, leave me a comment. I don't know if this is everybody's thing, since I normally do like miniatures and miniverse and mini brands, but like
do ASMR.
they're tiny. They kind of count.
ASMR.
Yeah, okay. ASMR. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.